Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. So yes, we are back down here at Cresson, but however, the big difference is we're actually running a Monday Funday event. The list is with my partner Marty and all of our staff, Eric, just everyone. So it's gonna be a half-day event. We don't have that many drivers. We only expect to have like 20 drivers. And probably another 7 on top of that, including instructors. But we're gonna do a half day on a 1.7. So let's just see everyone start arriving and we'll get going. All right, so we got people showing up and everyone's getting registered. I'm missing like all my workers and like all my corner and flag workers. Don't know where the fuck they are. Got quite a few instructors showing up, but not all of them just yet. But yeah, hopefully they show up. I mean, even Marty's not here just yet, and he lives pretty close to here. But I have faith and confidence everyone show up and we'll still be able to launch this on time. So yeah. All right, everyone, so we're about to get the track hot here in about 10 minutes at 9 a.m. We got about, I think, a little over 20 drivers, maybe like 22. I think we got 11 novice, 8 intermediate, 4 advanced, so whatever that comes out to be. Probably got like 4 or 5 workers, 7 instructors. So I'm about to go and start doing my thing. I'll be working grid and also be working hot pit. So yeah, let's go and get this thing going. I think it's gonna be a little bit more hectic because I'll be working 2 areas, and yeah, but we'll make it work. So yeah, we got the track day going on. We only got like 3 or 4 sessions left. Food arrived from Domino's, which I don't think is that good. I think Nancy has Domino's, but they're the only ones who would deliver, so good for them to at least come out here and support. So yeah, I think everything's going pretty well. It could be going better. It's not going as smooth, but it's our first time here at Cresson. I think the biggest issue I'm having is making sure people get on and off track on time. Just trying to keep the sessions on time. Don't know how things are going down there with the classrooms and Marty and all that other stuff, because he's kind of running that stuff down there. But other than that, we're not having any issues. Seems like people are being happy. Not too much stuff going off track. We've only had 1 car. Yeah, there's another car went right off track. Let me call over the radio. Anyway, so yeah, let's continue what I was saying. But yeah. Other than that, we only had 1 car actually break down, was that Corvette. I don't think I caught it on video, but it happened actually right here. It went off track and it just wouldn't start anymore. So we had to call everybody in. Luckily it was during the end of the session, and had to get towed off real quick. So wonder how things went with him, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, let's just keep on chugging along. Got freaking Joe and Bruno going at each other. Freaking fake ass Batman and Robin over here. Alright everyone, we are in our last open session, which means all cars of all levels are out there right now. From what I've heard from JC, who is the head manager here, and from a little bit what Marty told me, is that, you know, everything went pretty great and pretty smoothly. Marty's about to go out here and get a couple more laps in, and that's gonna kind of be it. If you haven't been to the channel before, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. That's a hell of a good outro.